Hello dear student, this is Rajwan Singh and today I am going to explain the SST Geography of class 6 chapter 1st, our solar system. Some remaining parts that is left in the previous video. So my dear student, I have explained you constellation and the solar system. So today I have to explain the further points that is left. So my dear student, welcome you all to my channel and let's start. Okay, the solar system. I have already told you about solar system that solar system is the source of many type of energies. So dear student, I think you all know very well about sources. For example, sun and sunlight and etc. So dear student, the solar system consists of sun, planets including our earth which revolve around the sun in fixed paths called orbits. Other celestial bodies like asteroids, moons, dwarf planets, meteoroids, comets, etc. are a part of the solar system. These names that I have mentioned here, they all are in the part of solar system. So my dear student, the sun is at the center of the solar system and its gravitational pull keeps all the planets and the other bodies in their orbits. So dear student, it's compulsory to know that what is sun and what is the role of sun in the solar system. You all know very well about the sun and about the role of sun, but also I have to explain this and see this. Made up of intensely hot gases, the sun is the largest member of solar system. It provides heat and solar energy. And light to all the planets. Without the sun, the life on the earth would not be exist and our planet would be completely barren and frozen. So my dear student, we cannot imagine life on the earth without sun, without the sun, because sun gives us many things, a lot of things that is very important and very crucial for the life. So dear student, the sun, the gravitational field of the sun holds the entire solar system together. And the next point, the planets. What is planets? You all know about planets very well. In the Greek language, the term planet so dear student, I am telling about the planets. In the Greek language, the term planet means wanderer. Wanderer, you know what? Who is wanderer? Who wanders here and there without any work. That is called wanderer. And here terms planet means wanderer. The celestial bodies called planets have been named so because they are in constant motion around their parent stars. So dear student, the sun has 8 planets that orbits around it. No two planets are the same, but they have different compositions, surface, temperatures, and they have the different gravitational pulls. So dear student, Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars are called inner planet as they are closer to the sun, and Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune, which lie farther from the sun, are called outer planets, inner and outer. So dear student, these have rings around them and many moons. Now you have to imagine, while the sun has its own light, my dear student, while the sun has its own light, like other stars, the planet reflect the light of the sun. The planets reflect the light of the sun. Moreover, like other stars, the sun emits its own layer, heat too, and planets receive this heat from it. So, dear student, the orbits in which the planets move around the sun are shaped like flattened circles. The paths that they move in are elliptical. So dear student, they are also called ellipses. That paths are also called ellipses. Besides revolving around the sun, each planet also rotates on its own axis. So dear student, some planets have their own moons or smaller celestial bodies orbiting around them. This is the main fact. So dear student, Mercury is the smallest planet in the solar system. I think you all know very well about this, that Mercury is the smallest planet in the solar system. It is the closest planet to the sun, and it is also the fastest moving planet to the sun. My dear student, it is also the fastest moving planet as it revolves around the sun once in every so dear student, I have already told you that Mercury is the smallest planet in the solar system, and it is also the fastest moving planet as it revolves around the sun once in every 88 days. This is very important. Listen carefully. The sun once in it is also the fastest moving planet as it revolves around the sun once in every 88 days. So dear student, however it spins on its axis very slowly. Once in every 58.6 days, its temperature is around 400 degrees centigrade during the day, but drops to about 170 degrees centigrade at night. So dear student, this is because Mercury has almost no atmosphere. So my dear student, it's very important to know this, that Venus is the hottest planet with a temperature of 475 degrees centigrade. Even during the night, you think this temperature is in the night 475 degrees centigrade. This is because its atmosphere is 96% carbon dioxide and gas that traps heat. Since its size is almost the same as that of the Earth, so my dear student, it is also called sister planet of the Earth. This is also called the sister planet of the Earth, and it is brightest planet in the night sky and easy to spot from the Earth. As it appears in the early morning or early evening, it is also called morning star or evening star. So dear student, these are the facts that you have to clear in your mind, that what is the main actual fact. So my dear student, learn briefly. See the next. The Earth is the fifth largest. The Earth is the fifth largest and the third nearest planet to the Sun. This is very important point. Note it. That it is the only planet that has life supporting conditions, and you know very well about this. It has the life supporting conditions so that people may live on this planet. So dear student, like water and air, which are essential for survival for the life, that these things are available on Earth. So my dear student, from the outer space, the earth appears blue. You know why? Because two-thirds of its surface is covered by water. So it is therefore called the blue planet. This is very factual point. The earth appears blue because two-thirds of its surface is covered by water. It is therefore called the blue planet. So, dear student, these are some facts, some important points that you have to remember, you have to learn. And further I want to say Mars. Mars is often referred to as the red planet because of the presence of red soil. My dear student, this planet has many features in common with the Earth. And I have told you that Earth is the most supporting planet. So dear student, such as an atmosphere with clouds and polar caps that melt partly in summer, and I think it has no water and very thin and dry atmosphere. My dear student, it has two small satellites also. So dear student, I think this is enough for today, and we will meet in the next video. Thank you. Have a nice day.